Hey there everyone, today we're looking at the restoration we did on my 1964 Cub Cadet 100. Now even though this tractor looks all shiny and new now, it didn't always look that way. This is the 100 when we got it. It was an absolute train wreck. The whole thing was in pieces. This is what the transmission looked like when we brought it home. The gears came in a coffee can. So to start on the restoration, we tore the transmission the rest of the way apart. The gears left inside had been broken, and the transmission had sat outside, open to the elements. So we found a set of used gears online, cleaned the parts up, and began putting it back together. Along with the gears, we also added all new gaskets and seals, as well as a couple new bearings. Then it was time to work on the rest of the tractor. We tore almost everything off the tractor so we could fix a couple problems with the frame and the front axle. Then we started to piece it back together, starting from the back and working our way forward. Once we got it put together, it was then time to try to start and drive it. We left the tractor unpainted for a couple of months before we decided to paint it in preparation for the 2020 National Red Power Roundup. We finished putting the final touches on the tractor at 12:30 in the morning of the first day of the tractor show. Since then, we've displayed the tractor at a few local tractor shows and parades, and we hope to do more of that in the future.